I was speaking with a client the other day about whether they would have to actually go to court once we filed their divorce case. And in Georgia, our circuit does require that you should go in front of a judge and present your evidence. And if it's even uncontested, at least one party would have to be in court. Now, if it's a contested matter, you can expect for you and your spouse to appear in court probably multiple times. Within the first couple of weeks of filing your divorce case, in Georgia, you could go and ask the court for temporary relief. Of course, you would want to go to court on that day to tell the judge what you need and what your children need and some of the things that you want for that temporary period of time. While you're awaiting for the discovery process to lapse, which usually lasts around 6 months, you're going to want a court order that tells you how to proceed with your children and your finances. So you would want to go to court that first time. You would need to be represented by our office. If we were involved in your case, we would go with you. And then at the end of your case, you also would need to go back to court, either to present your final evidence on your divorce case or to submit any kind of settlement that you've reached with your spouse. At minimum, you should expect with our office that you would be present in court twice during the terms of your case. But of course, if there are issues that may arise, you may have multiple hearings, the court would want to see you in person to address any of those issues that come up during your divorce case. If you have any questions or hesitancies about whether you would want to be in court or how to dress or what you should do or say when you're actually in court in front of a judge, just give us a call. We can look at your facts and tell you whether it would be appropriate to approach a judge sooner rather than later, and we can certainly walk with you through that process and make sure that you're completely comfortable by the time we get to court.